Hi everyone, I'm Xena. I'm from Mississauga and I am 44 years old. And here's my R3 story. So before joining R3, I wasn't as active as I used to be. I had very poor eating habits and I was really busy with my work and family. So what does busy look like? Well, that was me getting up in the morning together with my husband, getting our son ready for school. And then I would go to work, spend many hours on my feet, come home tired, and start my other job, which is like being a mom and a wife. And my health before joining R3, I've been overweight for most of my adult life. And once I had a baby, the weight just stayed. So I knew that I had to get to a healthier weight. I needed to get more energy and basically feel alive. So how do I make time for the R3 program, considering that I'm very busy, and why is that important to me? So just like anything in life, when you have something important to do, you will make the time to do it. Like if you have an important appointment, you would rearrange your schedule to ensure that you would be able to make it. You would get there on time. So you really have to invest the time and make it for yourself if this is really important for you. So right now, I make sure that I wake up early, I get my workout in, then I know it's done, and I can carry on with my busy day. So becoming healthy means that you really have to make the time. Everybody is busy. Everybody has just 24 hours in their day. So you should be able to find 30 minutes to 1 hour to get your workout in. And for those of you who are parents and maybe have no issue spending money on your children's extracurricular activities, you may think, oh, am I going to be able to spend this money on myself? And the answer is yes. You have to invest the time and money in yourself because you're worth it. I personally did not have that guilty feeling towards spending money on myself because for many years I've spent a lot of money on many other gyms with no results. And this was because there was something different and there was something missing at these other gyms, but not at R3. When you become a member at R3, you will get things that you will not get at any other gyms. Of course, at R3, you'll get your killer workouts, you'll get your nutrition coaching, but what sets R3 apart from every other gym is the mindset coaching. At R3, what you get is a lot of support from some wonderful coaches, and every R3 member, they're always there to support you and encourage you. You have the mindset coaching, which is very valuable. You get the accountability, and that really sets R3 apart from everyone else. Everyone is so supportive and encouraging. And during these COVID-19 times, even though we can't be together face to face, you feel that support. So I feel that that was what made the difference at R3. We definitely have to invest in ourselves to become the healthiest version of ourselves. The money that you would invest in yourself now, you and your family will reap the benefits for the rest of your life. Like many people, you probably joined a lot of different programs, and you weren't sure if this program would work for you. So how I stumbled upon R3 was actually I was researching life coaches, and the Revolve Life website had popped up. So I checked it out. I read all the reviews, and all the testimonies were really positive. So I knew I had to give it a chance. Did I know if it would work when I signed up? No. But I knew that it offered a lot of different things in every other program that I've tried. Until this day, I have no regrets. And I know you won't either. So I'm just going to reiterate, R3 is different. It's like no other gym. You're like family there. Everybody is just so supportive. The coaches are amazing. They're so knowledgeable, they care about you, and you're not just a number at a big box gym, which is what I felt at many of the other gyms that I've been to. So I really encourage you to give R3 a chance. This is a wonderful program. You can't get it any other place. So please sign up for R3 and you will just love it. Thank you.